Because it makes his mouth open.
When you get the guy in your commercial.
You have it in your mouth.
Ooh.
Where?
Ooh.
It's taking so long.
Dad.
I think
He's taking video.
Oh,
I took a picture, but I missed it.
with audio? Probably.
With audio. Oh, here, this is just Easter. This is probably in your nest.
Oh, nice.
Uh-oh. Did I like that?
Like, get that off my cookie.
Okay. Whoa, look. A carry-on bag for airports where I can take my rifle. It's on.
Isn't that a cooler for
Harley
beer?
Davidson, you know that's, huh?
Isn't that a beer cooler?
No, it's a Harley Davidson.
Also a joke.
Also a joke? You gonna take it back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm home.
So it's a beer cooler for tall 24-ounce cans. Oh, awesome.
Oh, look.
There.
Fake muscles. I need
Should've taken the board.
My guns. My guns. They help me with my sleeve up. Uno, muto, kutagan, wala bilang. And now, it's all for you. Put them where they can. Little foodies. And here are some swimming bloopers for you. Whip off.